Welcome to your daily dose of crypto. Today, I'm going to change things up just a little bit more again. We're going to reduce down the number of tokens that we talk about in this video. Please let me know in the comments down below if you prefer this format. So today, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, XRP, as well as STX. And there's a reason why I'm talking about STX, so stay tuned. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe for more crypto updates. Let's go ahead and dive straight on into it. Looking at Bitcoin, it is up about 1%. We're here at 0.77%, so we're working towards that 1%. Yesterday, it was looking green at first. We then ended up closing out in the red, and it is starting to form a little bit of a consolidation pattern. This is something I had talked about in a previous video that I said is a real possibility. Don't forget, we do have elections in the United States that's coming up in just a couple more months, right? Well, we're talking about 4 months or so. And with that, there's a lot of uncertainty of how things are going to play out. I suspect that a lot of people are waiting to see how it plays out first before we start to see a further move. But that doesn't mean that we can't have some sort of a movement take place beforehand. And looking at the price chart with Bitcoin, it is still not that far away from this major zone on the Fibonacci sequence, which is at around $60,000. That's also a key psychological level. Now, another key element to share with you is that as of yesterday, it did close out below that VWAP, so that's not ideal. However, with the price with where it's currently at, we are seeing it just barely above that VWAP. So I would love to see it close above the VWAP. I would love to see it close above $60,000. We'll have to keep an eye on this, continuing to monitor it. We can also see that the RSI, it has climbed up just a tad bit more than what we saw yesterday. And if you're trying to make as much as you can with your crypto, you can look into leverage trading. It's also known as margin trading. There is a crypto exchange called Margex. You can find a link down in the description below where they give you a range of 5x up to 100x. You can do regular crypto trading here. You can buy crypto here. These are just some examples. They have copy trading. They've got staking options, and you can claim up to $10,000. If you guys want to learn more about this, you can find that link in the description below. It's available in a lot of regions. Some people may need to use a VPN. That choice is obviously up to you. Moving over to XRP, XRP is up 1.53%. It actually closed out green for the day yesterday. So here we are with 3 daily candle closures of green on the 4th day, still looking quite good. That Bollinger Band continuing to expand out just a tad bit. The RSI also starting to climb up a little bit more, but it is still not even at that median zone. So it's got a lot of room potential. It is above that average that we've been seeing for the RSI. But overall, things are looking quite bullish for XRP. It's already had a series of red days, some significant sell-offs, some push down. Here it is trying to make its recovery back. And when we talk about XRP in the broad spectrum of things, XRP has been very flat during this bull run. A lot of people have been looking at it as a blue chip cryptocurrency, waiting for it to do some kind of major move. And I said it before, I'll say it again, keep an eye on the SEC court case with XRP. We should be getting some more information that might be very, very impactful towards the end of this month, the month of July. And then we move over to STX. Now, STX is a top 100 cryptocurrency. It is currently at the number 32 spot. It has climbed exponentially. It's up 12.47% in the last 24 hours, a volume of over $170 million. It's looking quite bullish. That is about 130% increase in trading volume. Now, if we go over here and look at the actual price chart itself, 3 daily candle closures, 4th day, it's not only green, but it's continuing to see a major climb. It is above that VWAP as we were talking about. We can see right here that for my technical trading tool, this is something that I created, that the last position was identifying that of a short. However, we do have some momentum going on here. The RSI itself is pushing up quite significantly in comparison to what that average has been, and it is now breaking above the median zone. Okay, so this is a little bit cautious. We have high percentage gains on the day, 3 daily candle closures. They were all green in a row. This has some possibility to see some pullback. It is going to get more attention right now because of its significant moves, the fact that it broke with that 100 top cryptocurrency position sitting at number 32. So it has more opportunity for eyes to land on it for sure. And when we go ahead and zoom out here a tad bit, you guys can see that overall, though, with my trading tool, that it does show a net profit. And we can also see just the different points in time in which it's suggesting a long, a short position. So this is definitely an irregular time period. We'll see if it holds itself, but right now it's looking quite good. It's up, again, almost 10%. It's at $1.65, pushing towards $1.66. It has some room to make some moves. Now, I'd love to know what you guys think about all this. If you like this short form, just breakdown of these cryptos, and if you only want me to focus on one crypto in a dedicated video, do you like the idea of me doing only about 3? Do you want me to do specific ones? Let me know, please, in the comments down below. I am trying to do the best I can to make quality content for you, the viewers. And if you're new, please don't forget to hit subscribe. Also, you can check me out on socials. I am over on Telegram. That's my Telegram group is Team Crypto Atlas. I also have a Discord group. You can find the link to those, as well as the link to Marjax down in the description below. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit subscribe. God bless. We'll see you in the next episode.